Okay guys, I'm going to go over prokaryotes, eukaryotes, and the three domains of life, because I know some of y'all are having a little bit of trouble with it. Everything living is put into three different domains. Okay, you have the eukaryote domain, they have a nucleus. You have the archaea, ancient, old, first organisms on earth. This is extreme heat, extreme salt, extreme cold. And then you have the eubacteria. That's your common bacteria, like your strep throat, infections, and common diseases. So everything that is living on earth is put into three domains. Either the eukaryote domain, the archaea domain, or the eubacteria domain. All of these are eukaryotes. You have your fungi, you have your protists, which is amoeba, paramecium, euglena, animals. Here you have a plant cell, plants. All of those have a nucleus. Now this is unicellular, but it's in this group because it has a nucleus. These are unicellular, but they're in this group because they don't have a nucleus. Okay, so we're going to go to this poster. This splits into your eukaryotes and your prokaryotes. Your eukaryotes is a domain. It's one of the domains. Your prokaryotes, remember, is split into two different domains because this one, the archaea, is old. It's first organisms on Earth. So scientists had to divide the prokaryotes into two domains. So that's why there's three domains of life. And that's why there's two types of prokaryotes. The old prokaryotes, first organisms on Earth, and the newer ones like strep throat, diseases, and common bacteria. So what you want to do is you want to look for if it has a nucleus in it. If it shows you a microscopic view, look to see if it has something that looks like a nucleus. Multicellular, 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 unicellular, unicellular, unicellular. So prokaryotes have unicellular and multicellular organisms. Prokaryotes are all unicellular. Look at how they look. They don't have a nucleus in them, and they're very simple. Complex, simple. Very, very simple. This does have a flagellum, and this does have a flagellum. However, this one is eukaryote because it has a nucleus. This one has a flagellum, but it's not a eukaryote. It is a prokaryote because it does not have a nucleus. Nucleus, no nucleus. Multicellular and unicellular, all unicellular. So that's where you have to differentiate the two. A lot of students get confused with these. They're prokaryotes because they have a nucleus, they have a brain. They look like these little creatures, but they're not in that category. No brain, no nucleus. Has a brain, has a nucleus. Okay, hopefully this will help you with your homework.